gave a price and you agreed to pay. Now I finished the job in one long day. During the quote I said it could take two, but I worked really hard to get it done for you.